Hello students, you are studying the volume of cylinder, class 9, chapter number 13, volume of cylinder. Cylindrical figure we know very well. It is a volume, it is a figure of cylinder which have the base radius R and the height is the H. Right circular cylinder. Then volume of cylinder is equal to area of base into height. Area of base into height. Area base is circle, so it is a pi r square h. It is the volume of the cylinder occupies. So here some examples are given. The pillars of a temple are cylindrical shape. Example 13. Example 13 is given. And the Ramjan, a storekeeper is making a stall of the sarbat 15 centimeter filled with a height of 32. He has a cylinder of radius 15 centimeter and height is 32 centimeter. A cellar is there. Radius 15 centimeter, height 32 centimeter of orange juice, and he want to distribute this juice of the glass of radius. Radius of the glass is given 3 centimeter up to the height of the glass is given, that is 8 centimeter. He want to distribute the sarbat and sold it juice in the rate of rupees 3 each. Rupees 3 each glass. So how much money does the people receive to selling the juice completely? Very simple. There is a big container and here is a small container in which he want to distribute the this. So number of glass in the juice glass is equal to volume of big cylinder can upon volume of one glass. That you will get the pi r square h upon pi r of g square into h of g. Both you cancel. Put the values here. 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 32 divide by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8. You will get the number of glass. So cost is equal to, how much cost is equal to number of glass multiplied by the rate. You will get the money. Next question is given. Question, it is example number 14, not 13. Example 13 is given here. The pillars of a temple is given here. Each pillar of the circular base of radius, pillars are given here. Pillars, and these pillars have a radius 20 and height 10. Radius 20 and height 10. Meter, 20 centimeter and 10 meter. This is the problem. Your question is given, how much concrete is required to build 14 such? How much concrete? 14 pillars are here. How many pillars? 14. So, concrete required. How much concrete is required? Concrete mixture. Concrete required is equal to volume of one pillar multiplied by 14. What is the volume of one pillar? Pi r square h. But it is given meter, you will write 0.2 meter. Centimeter convert into meter. Multiply 14, this meter square, meter cube. This meter cube of the concrete is required to make it. Multiply by 40. Very simple question. Exercise 13.6 we'll see. In the exercise 13.6, exercise 13.6 question number 1. In the exercise 13.6, question number 1, the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel, circumference is given 132 centimeter, height is given 25 centimeter. Then how many liters of water it holds? How many liter of water it holds? So 2 pi r is given 132. You calculate the r. Then you calculate the volume of vessel, that is pi r square h. This will be centimeter cube. It is given in centimeter, so all will be centimeter. So volume you find out centimeter cube. So how many liters of water? 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So therefore the volume will be, what answer here you are getting, divide by 1000, you will get the liter. Because 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube. That you write. Question number 2. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 and its outer diameter is 28. Inner diameter, it is a pipe is given, inner and outer diameter. It means it is a hollow. It means it is a hollow pipe. Inner and outer diameter given 24 and 28. So inner radius is 12, outer radius is 14. And diameter is 28. The length of the pipe is 35. So length means height. Height is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe. Mass of the pipe you want to find out. Find the mass of the pipe. If the 1 centimeter cube is equal to how much? 0.6 gram it is given. So first of all you find out the volume. Volume of pipe. Mass of the pipe. Volume of the pipe is pi capital R square minus small r square h. Outer volume minus inner volume, because hollow, so you will get this is the centimeter cube. Then multiply by 0.6, you will get the mass. Question number 3. Multiply by 0.6, you will get the mass, but this mass will be in the gram. You divide by 1000, you can get in the question number 4. If the lateral surface area is 94.2 centimeter square, lateral surface area means CSA is given 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter. Find the radius of the base and its volume. Radius of the base, first you find out. Question number, it is a question number 4. It is a question number 4. It is a question number 4. Radius you want to find out. 3 I will tell you afterwards. CSA means 2 pi r, h is given. So 2 pi r into 5 is equal to 94.2, then r is equal to 94.2 upon 2 pi into 5. That you put the value and get the r. Then the radius of the base you can get pi, its volume, second part is given volume, pi r square h. Put the value from here. Pi is given 3.14. It is a question number 4. Put the values of r, pi and h. You can get the solution very simply. Lateral surface area means CSA, curved surface area. Lateral. A soft drink is available in the 2 packs. Question number 3 has also 2 parts. A tin can of rectangular base of the length 5 and width 4, having height length 5, width 4, height 15. So volume LBH. Second part. Soft drink is available in this part. Another is a plastic cylinder of base radius. Cylinder of the radius 7 centimeter and the height 10 centimeter. Then volume. In both you calculate which container has greater capacity and by how much. Both you calculate. 5 into 4 into 15. 22 by 7 into 7 into 10. 7 7 1540 centimeter square. Here what are you getting? 300 centimeter square. 5, 4 and 15. Another is given 7 centimeter as a diameter. 7 by 2. One more thing here. 7 by 2. Radius is given 7 by 2. So 2 to the 4. (385 centimeters). So which is greater? Cylinder is greater than the cuboid. You are getting this part is greater than this. So this is given. So cylindrical portion has more capacity than the cuboidal form. Here you find out the volume. Here you find question number 3, 4, 2 and 1. And rest part I will tell you in the next video. Thanks.